Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to allow only followers to see Instagram Story, a quick and easy guide to protect your privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change the story settings. Step 2. Next, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that to access your profile page. Step 3. Once you're on your profile, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3-line menu icon to open up the settings menu. Step 4. Now scroll down a bit and find the option that says Account Privacy. This is where you can manage who sees your content. Tap on it. Step 5. By default, your account might be set to public. That means anyone, even people who don't follow you, can view your story. Not ideal if you want more control. Step 6. To fix this, just tap on the toggle switch next to Private Account. Instagram might ask you to confirm. Go ahead and do that. Once it's turned on, your account becomes private. That means now only your followers can see your posts and, most importantly, your stories too. No more random people watching your content. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.